Hello, I'm Astronaut Alec, and today I'm using OpenRocket in order to make a rocket model that I plan to launch. So, for this model, I plan to use a body that is 5.63 centimeters big, or it is called, it's a 5.63 centimeter rocket as the diameter, and the length is 91.9 centimeters. It has a mass of 741 grams because I'll be putting a little Arduino inside of the top of the rocket. So I made a secondary hatch to put it in, and I put some simulated weight for the simulation. And then we just use some basic wings that I plan to change a little bit. And it'll have a tube coupler connecting the two halves together, so that way we can have a payload bay, which I plan to make a video about. And then it'll have the engine mounted on the bottom with a pretty good parachute. Our parachute is 61 centimeters in diameter. I think it's meant to be 60, but I'll check on that. And then I ran some flight simulations with the motor that I've selected, which is an Estes E15-4, which is a pretty decent motor. And with that one, we'll reach an apogee of 120 meters, and our max velocity is 35 meters a second, and it'll fly for about 24.6 seconds. And here's the chart that we have that shows us the exact data. So if we look at the left side, the motor will ignite and then will accelerate vertically for about 3.5 seconds, very quickly with a very high acceleration. And then we'll reach the point where the motor burns out, where the rocket will continue an upward trajectory until it reaches its apogee, where our recovery device will deploy the parachute, and then we'll slowly glide down to the ground, which will take the remaining time, and then we'll try and collect the sensors data. So I'll update you with that video next, but please leave a like and subscribe.